Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Speck Presidio grip for your OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so my favorite case is in the building for my favorite phone at the moment. This is the Presidio grip from Speck for your OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm definitely a fan of this case. I have this for so many of my phones out there. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. So if you guys want to take a look at the back and just pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Impact resistant, all that good stuff. 10 feet, drop tested, approved, 2 layers of protection, and designed for impact. So let's just pop this out. Don't want to make this a super long video, but let's get right into it. So here's the case itself. You get that super grip right there. Slim Shady. Slim Shady. And we do have the logo for Speck up there on the top right. On the inside, we do have the Speck logo right here. Nice inserts, whatever. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. It does hide the beauty of the phone, but it does protect it at the same time. So if you want a phone protection because you have kids and all that good stuff. So here's how it looks from the back. Definitely have a lot of lip action there. As far as the front, just a little bit on the left and right, but the top and the bottom looks absolutely perfect. The pop-up camera is cut out perfectly, so you won't have any problem with that. The switch over there on the side, perfect access. Power button is good as well. And on the bottom, everything is cut out absolutely perfect. So this case is definitely perfect if you just need more grip, even though I do have grip, but it's for protection. And this part, I just want to take a note here. So with this part right here, you don't have any type of casing there because they blocked it off for the camera. So I've never seen that before in a case, but I've never seen a camera like this either. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. Let's look at the buttons real quick. Super clicky on all three. So if you guys want to pick up this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Presidio grip and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.